calm down. Nobody's going to hurt you. There's one baby.
You can go up there to the statue.
Yeah, keep your arm tucked in his side. Yeah, yeah. You can gun streak on his chest.
Just being silly, aren't you?
He's looking to see what's going on. Oh, aren't you beautiful? Oh, what a beautiful
Yes, typical Falcon, nervous and highly strung. Step back. Good. Steady. Oi! No, lightning, stop it. Come on, you're being silly. Step back. There you go, you see?
Lovely bird, isn't it?
Oh, it's a beautiful bird. It's a hybrid cross between a deer falcon and a peregrine falcon.
What do we normally eat when they're in the wild?
Well, the peregrine pigeons is probably the most common with them. The deer is much bigger, so it'll take up to the size of, decent sized ducks.
Yeah. Wow.
The deer is not as fast as the peregrine. That's why falconers are crossbreeding them, trying to get the size of the deer with some of the extra speed with the peregrine.
Yeah, yeah.
The peregrine does over 200 miles an hour when it's coming down to strike, whereas the deer will only do probably about 140, 130, 140, because they're a big, bulky bird. Won't do this hard. You got too faster than that to catch me. Yeah. Okay? Yeah.
Oh,
come on, girl.
gosh.
That's a good girl. Huh?
I've been all over the show with this. Could do the camera.
Just good, isn't it?
That's a beautiful bird.
The peregrine, the head is virtually black. Where she's got the dark grey around her head and her neck, the peregrine's virtually black.
Yeah.
And then the deer, they come in various colours. You go to Greenland, for instance, the deers are virtually pure white. The Icelandic ones are more this colour but with a black head, similar to the peregrine.
Yeah.
And then in northern Norway, some of them are virtually jet black.
Wow.